I think Notion's a winner, short and and long term.
I love it.
We use, so just for transparency, at our company we use Google Workspaces. We use Jira to manage our projects. We use GitHub and Bitbucket because we are in between, relationships there. We use Slack to communicate. No one at our company sends each other emails, so that's not a thing. We use. There's a platform called BugHerd. It probably doesn't even deserve to be mentioned, but to collect bugs from customers on websites. But we want to use Notion, and Notion is a great kind of place to like puke out all your AI content and just stuff in general, and then figure out ways to organize it. Create landing pages for yourself, for your clients, and different things.
You shared some Notion stuff with us, and then I thought,
are you a Notion guy?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Tell us about your Notion footprint.
Yeah, so Notion. So I've gone through the journey of notes, like through every single one of them.
Yes, everyone needs to hear this.
I built one. It's called Belly Lint, which was the name of it.
You did.
And Belly Lint was it was basically my take on Apple Notes, but it was completely decentralized using Blockstack's decentralized storage engines.